I cut my hair in January last year, and I'm just once a month I'm gonna take the protective hairstyle out, and then I'm gonna show you how the hair grows. Number one, I said I use protective hairstyles. If you don't like a protective hairstyles, you must always secure the ends of your hair. Let the hair grow from your scalp, but it break off here at the ends most of the time. Use white tooth comb. Let me show you that. Here's the comb. Here's the fine tooth comb, and here is the one that I will recommend people to use. And this one will pull a lot of hair out. This one. Right. Okay. Everybody's hair grow. Your issue is where you lose your hair and your hair break. When your hair break, it should be as dry. It's too dry. You need some moisturizer. Right. Moisturizer work like this for me, like so. I moisturize or I put oils on the scalp. The reason is your hair grows out of your scalp, and if your scalp is dry, it means will not be enough oil to coat the shafts or not the strands, the shafts of your hair, so that it prevent from breaking off. En jou kam en dis nou hele bondel hare by uitkom en dis droog op jou kopvel. Do you understand? You want thicker hair? Thicker hair works like so. It means that your density of your hair, ek praat nou van een haar, nee, een, dit daar, is dun, nee. So you must work it from the inside. You do get those gel tablets, I think it's in Clicks, where you have to drink it for vitamins, nee. You can buy it if you want, if you can drink it, nee. But it must come from the inside because die hare kom as jou kop uit. Nee? The most known remedy for thick hair it is to use castor oil on your scalp. You can mix the castor oil with some normal Vaseline, but you must rub it on your scalp. Nee? When you're using those type of oils on your scalp, it means you must not wash your hair once a week. You must try to get some clarifying shampoo. If you do not have clarifying shampoo, take the shampoo or the conditioner, not when you rinse your hair, just to get those things off. You can put in some a little bit of in your rinse. You're gonna rinse, so you already wash your hair, you already condition your hair. Now you must rinse. You must know all was now, right? You must clean everything up. Then you're gonna make yourself some water in your rinse water. Put a little bit 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And you can also you put it in the water and you wash. And you wash your scalp and everything. To take all that, whatever activity you put on your scalp in the week, whatever you take it off. Clarify, you clear. You clear most of alles van your scalp. Your scalp is already clean. I grew my hair by treating my scalp. If you want to grow your hair by treating your hair, then you must treat your the ends of your hair more than because the ends is the part that is breaking off a lot. So let us go back to the thick hair. The castor oil, as I said, you must put it on your scalp. If you can do it every night. Some people say, no, not my hare tie. My question is, will you dagare? Sometimes you need to be uncomfortable when you want these things. Right. So when you are using protective hairstyles, I use protective hairstyles because it bring low manipulation to the hair. I don't touch my hair all the time. My own hair. I'm not talking about this. I don't touch my hair the whole time. I don't comb my hair the whole time. It's important that you have to protect the ends of your hair. Hair grows from the scalp, but you will retain the length that it grows by protecting the ends of your hair.